This is the end, beautiful friend. This is the end, my only friend, the end.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the show, man. It's your boy, Trap Vision 3D, man. And it's been a minute, and it's also been a minute since I did an unboxing of something. Well, I guess maybe that's not fair because, well, what was it? Maybe 3 weeks ago, a month ago, I unboxed this. But anyway, today, if you're wondering what that movie was, that was Apocalypse Now, right? That film was a Vietnam type film set in the late 70s, man. And Captain Willard, which was the star of the show, and if you haven't seen the movie, definitely one of the best military or army movies ever, hands down. I'm not about to go back and forth, I'm telling you. But if you haven't seen the movie, go check it out. It's really nice. But Seiko actually put out a cushion style case dive watch, right? And Captain Willard just happened to be wearing this watch in the movie. Now, there's a lot of fun facts that you should go look up about that movie. A lot of fun facts. Like, check out the fun fact about Lawrence Fishburne, right? I think he was like 14, said he was 16 years old, but he got in there, he lied about being the age he was. But, needless to say, the movie was amazing, but the watch itself, the Seiko version, was amazing. This isn't a Seiko, what I'm about to unbox. However, it is a homage to the Seiko version, and seeing that people like, let's see, there are a number of YouTubers that have, if you guys don't know already, we're talking about San Martin or San Martin. I've heard it pronounced both ways on YouTube. There have been a number of YouTubers that talked about this watch, the quality of this watch, and as far as I know, I've never dealt with it before, but as far as I've seen and heard, San Martin is like the best at making a homage piece. So, we're going to flip this camera around and check this watch out. Let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, this right here, you see this? This is the case that it comes in. I've never dealt with a San Martin at all. I've seen it online. So, let's go ahead and pop this open. So, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to see this together because I haven't even looked at it yet. Okay, so presentation. I will say this, the case is nice, alright? And it gives you tools. Okay, alright. These are the tools they gave you. And let's look. Ooh, okay, let's slide this off to the side. Yo, first impressions, y'all. First impressions. I'm gonna say I am highly amazed. Man, this thing is nice. It's heavy too. This is heavy. Uh-oh, what's going on? So this is one thing I will say. I've heard so many people talk about the quality of San Martin, and I had to see for myself. So this is my very first San Martin, and then this is my very first, I guess it's not the official Captain Willard, but it is definitely, man, it's a nice homage. I actually got a chance, I went to Morris Jewelers, and, ooh, wait. I actually saw the Seiko version. Yo, this thing is tight. Yo, that thing is crazy tight. Alright, so from what I see right now, it's wrapped in plastic. Let me see. Ooh, I like that right there. Let me see how that goes. Oh, it's plastic over it. So hold on, let me peel some of this plastic off. Okay, so we got that open. Hey man, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I like the high polish. Man, that's cool. That's even, you know what's crazy is I can actually have that taken off and engraved. I can have something put on there. So I just want to do an unboxing and show and tell, so to speak. This is a screw down crown. I'll go through all the dimensions when I do an official like review on this, because this watch is actually about to go on a vacation with me. I wanted to showcase this. I want to show you guys what I had. Now, the loom on it is crazy. It is crazy. I saw it online, but I promise you, I'm gonna give you a loom shot as soon as, matter of fact, when I go on vacation, I may even do it, and I'm gonna try to do it live, but I just want to show you guys, I got my first San Martin, I got my first Willard, Captain Willard style timepiece, and ladies and gentlemen, I will tell you, from what I see so far, this watch is amazing. All right, I'm going to size this tonight because, like I said, I'm going to take this on a vacation we got coming up, and I promise I will go into detail, more detail on this watch. But from what I've seen so far, the brushing and the high polish in the areas, man, and just overall, I'm impressed. I like this. But I got to get that loom shot. I got to see it for myself, other than what I saw online. So that's it. That's the end of the video, ladies and gentlemen. Come holler at your boy tomorrow. I'm going live tomorrow, man. And I will say this: if you made it this far, if you're still an Invicta fan, let me know. Let me know. This show is tomorrow's show will be for you. All right. So until the next lightning strike, ladies and gentlemen, y'all be blessed.